Happy Thursday, everyone. It's your tech assistant, Rhonda, with the Salem, Ohio Public Library. Today, I'm just doing a short video for you on how you can clean up your phone's storage. I've had several patrons come into the library asking me why their phone is a little bogged down, or perhaps they're getting pop-ups that are saying that they no longer have enough space on their phone to maybe install a new app or to save a video or to save a picture. And today I just wanted to show you a few quick ways that you can work on clearing some of that out. Now, I'm not going to say that this is a for sure way to fix your phone, because sometimes that lagging, the lagging in the phone isn't based off of your storage, but perhaps it's the old model of your phone, perhaps it's a network issue, maybe there's just something going on inside the phone. But these are some of the first few steps you want to take to troubleshoot some of that. So the first thing I do want to say, I just want to make sure everyone realizes how much our videos and our photos take up. So when we create videos and take photos, we usually keep them stored here in our phone. Well, one thing that not everyone knows is that you can actually back these up onto a cloud-based service. So I know the Apple products have iCloud, and Android devices have, you have Google Photos. So what this does is it actually, you can back it up into this Google app, which is literally just as soon as you go into your phone, you see this little icon right here. Here's your photos, right? It's Google Photos. So over here on the account area where the little circle is, you can actually go ahead and click on that, and it will tell you how much storage you have on your account. So if for any reason your storage is really full and you're a little bit concerned about that, you can go ahead and hit this free up space button, and it tells you exactly what it's doing. These items are already safely backed up, and you can still view them at any time in Google Photos. Basically, what this is doing is it is going to remove the videos and photos from your phone, but it's going to put it in that cloud storage. So if for some reason you really wanted the video from last year of someone's birthday party, and you realized you had to clean out your phone because it was slowing it down, but you're afraid you'll never get it back. Absolutely not the case. All that is doing is that it is saving it here into this Google Photos, and then at any time when you need to retrieve it, it still shows up like this, and you could still view it right here through Google Photos. But if you want to re-download it to your phone for some reason, or maybe you're trying to send it to somebody, all you have to do is you would just click on the button, and it will literally give you an option to download that. So that is just one simple way. And videos and photos take up a lot of storage, so especially videos. So make sure that you're keeping an eye out for, maybe if you like taking a lot of videos, you might want to think about possibly transferring those over onto a flash drive, or to just sync them into the Google Photos and then remove them from the storage on your device. So the other thing I wanted to show you was how you can clear your cache. Okay, so for the longest time, you guys, you're gonna get a kick out of this. I used to call it cache, and all my friends thought that was a pretty silly way to say it, but it turns out it's actually called cache. So in order to clear out your cache, you would just go into your settings. I'm going to get this focus back in here. Okay. Now here we go. We have apps and notifications. We're going to click on that. Wow, I got 93 apps. I use my phone a lot, and so I think this is a good number to represent how frequently I am downloading new apps. So I have 93 apps. And I just want to quickly go through some of this. Now, my rule of thumb is that if I don't know what it is, I'm not touching it because it can cause issues with the app on your phone. It can even, if we don't know exactly what it is that we're messing with, it could actually be something that's, processing through your phone. So I really stay away from things that I'm not aware of. So here, it tells us, it gives us how much each of these things are using as far as storage. And I have quite a bit here with Amazon Alexa, Amazon Photos, Amazon Shopping. So, I mean, there really is there's a lot on some of these apps. So I am just going to go down. I want to see if I can find one that's really, really big that I can work on. I am going to go to Facebook because, as a lot of us know, Facebook likes to collect a lot of our data. Oh, there it is. 1 whole gigabyte for Facebook. So what you can do to start clearing some of that is that you can, I don't bother too much with ones that don't have a lot of stuff on it, like right here, Files by Google. I'm not going to mess with that. I don't even know where that's at or what files are in there, but I'm not going to mess with this, especially because it's really not taking up all that much storage. So I'm going to go into my Facebook app. Well, here in my settings, and I am going to go to storage and cache. Okay, and it even gives you just a little screen of the different storage. So the app itself is 224 megabytes, and then we have our user data, which Facebook loves taking our user data, and then we have our cache right here. So I am going to go ahead and tap this clear cache. So as you can see now, we're at 0. And that's just, it's not going to solve all of your problems, but if you have the time to go through and do that for a lot of these apps that have, a lot of extra data on them, you can absolutely save yourself some headaches there and some storage. So here we go. I'm going to go into storage. So this is my Gmail. I'm going to go ahead and clear my cache. Okay, my cache. And you can go through and just do these with as many as you want. I like to go through every once in a while and just try and clear all of them out, just so that it helps keeps my storage low on here. Okay. So last thing I want to mention is I do know that some people probably have questions on what is the difference between deleting data and deleting cache. So deleting cache is really just deleting temporary files. It's not deleting anything permanent. It's just these they're almost like the breadcrumbs that the internet uses to collect information from you. And really, like I said, they're just these temporary files that when you clear them out, if for any reason your app needs to re-download them, they'll just re-download them. So it really is a safe way to get a little bit better storage. The data end of it, though, if you clear your data, then that is clearing everything. It would almost be the same as deleting the entire app and reinstalling it. So that's saved passwords, saved progress, anything that you need to keep track of when you're in that app. So I think that will do it for me today. I hope this helps. And once again, please feel free to subscribe to the Salem, Ohio Public Library's Facebook page. We absolutely love that you guys are enjoying the videos, and please keep the comments coming. Let me know if there's a video you would like to see in the future, and I will certainly work on getting that done for you. All right, everyone, have an amazing day. Thank you.